Hello everybody, we're going to talk today about halyard locking systems on sailing boat, racing boat, super yachts and big cats as well. Halyards are all meant obviously to hoist sails and goes through sheaves at the top of the mast, and historically that's the system we used to have. Now for many years now we've been working on a locking system to create a fixed point at the top of the mast, release the compression in the mast, and then create a lot of benefits for sailing and racing boats. I'm going to talk about the foresail locking systems. We have three types. First one is internal, we call it KMH. It's internal and it locks straight in the mast with a trip line inside, and we'll see in a further video how we're going to install it. The second one is KHL. This is an external system, can be linked with structural systems and swivels as well, extra swivel, but this is just external and very simple. And the last one and most popular one is our KFH here, and the KFH is a swivel and locking system, external locking system on the pin here. So that's the three systems we have on foresails, and in further video we will show you how each one is installed. I will show you now our KMH, here a 15 ton. We can go from 2 tons to 50 tons or even bigger for custom projects. The principle here is that we just have one halyard. Can be very thin just to hold the weight of the sail, but we don't need trip line, and it's a single line principle, which the mechanics is basically based on this. So like a pen, you got a rotative system inside which will lock the pin in and out. So that's the principle of it. We'll have here, show you the three main parts. I remove this cover, which could be either in various colors. This is carbon, could be wooden aspect as well. And now we get into the lock itself, which is made of three parts. Here we have the pin, so which will be at the bottom when you want to fix the sail on it. Then we have the base, and then inside we have the locking system. So on this KMH, it's very practical, because we can extract from outside all the mechanical. So, and then you can clean it, you can have access and fix it if needed. So this is just unique on the market and very efficient. Just one point I wanted to mention. Here's it's a 15 ton hook, obviously made for super yachts, and it's on a display, so it has nothing to do in terms of size with the mast it's on. Here we have a smaller one, which is our 2 tons. We can find it on TF35, sorry, that's the Flying Cats in Switzerland. Here are 5 ton based, and I want to show you just the fact that we can adapt to the wall thickness of the mast. So here's a 25 mil thickness, and here is just a 10. 10 to 15, but this is something we have to consider when ordering your hook. So here is our KMH2 installation. So each KMH fits its own template, and you install the halyards prior to the introduction. Then it's very simple. You will go straight into the locking area, and then your hook is installed. You just have to fix it here, release the halyard to release the pin and access to the next bolt, and the job's done. I hope you enjoyed this video on locking systems. This is quite a technical subject where Karver is a specialist. So you can follow us for more videos and more technical information on our YouTube channel. Thank you again. You will have more subject to look at, and you can subscribe to discover